This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskill. Welcome to your dream home. This sought-after end unit in Aeries is nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac. Enjoy an upgraded kitchen with granite countertops and stainless appliances. The great floor plan offers 3 bedroom/bathroom suites plus a convenient half bath on the second floor. Fireplace as is. Relax on the spacious deck and enjoy the backyard space. Extra parking with a parking pad for 3 cars plus 1 car garage. Experience the joy of homeownership in this delightful residence. For more information, review the details below.